Welcome back to another powerful mining action video. Today, we take you straight to the heart of a real coal mining operation, where the mighty Caterpillar 352F Excavator is loading coal onto 4-axle trucks with unmatched strength and precision. This isn't just another machine in action video. It's a close look at the coordination, timing, and technology that make large-scale mining possible. At Ascon Ltd Mining Site, every movement is calculated, every second matters, and the results speak for themselves. The CAT 352F Excavator is a true powerhouse in its class. Equipped with a 400 horsepower engine and an advanced hydraulic system, it's designed to move massive amounts of material efficiently while consuming less fuel. Its heavy-duty boom, strong undercarriage, and intelligent control system allow it to dig deep into the coal seam and load large quantities of material quickly and safely. Watching it in action, you can see the perfect rhythm between the operator and the machine. Each bucket load precisely placed into the truck bed. No wasted motion, no downtime. Coal mining requires both power and precision, and that's where the CAT 352F truly shines. The excavator's bucket capacity allows it to fill a 4-axle truck in just a few passes. This efficiency not only saves time, but also maximizes productivity across the entire site. Every movement of the excavator's arm demonstrates engineering perfection, strong, smooth, and steady. Ascon Ltd's team ensures that operations run continuously and safely, with every operator trained to maintain performance and reduce machine wear. Coal is one of the most essential raw materials for energy and industry, and mining it requires world-class machinery. The CAT 352F's ability to operate in tough environments, from deep pits to uneven ground, makes it a preferred choice across mining companies. Its hydraulic system provides fast response and smooth control, helping the operator maintain a perfect loading angle with each pass. The cab is designed with comfort in mind, reducing fatigue during long shifts, and offering full visibility for enhanced safety and control. At Ascon Ltd's site, efficiency and teamwork are everything. The trucks arrive in a steady flow, perfectly timed to match the excavator's loading cycles. This synchronized operation ensures minimal idle time for both the trucks and the excavator. Each truck carries tons of freshly mined coal, moving it to the next stage of processing. It's a clear example of how precision planning and modern equipment can turn a mining site into a smooth, high-performance system. Another impressive feature of the CAT 352F is its fuel efficiency. Caterpillar's Smart Mode system automatically adjusts engine speed and hydraulic power depending on the load, saving fuel without reducing productivity. This not only lowers operating costs, but also supports environmentally conscious mining practices, something Ascon Ltd continues to focus on. Reliability and low maintenance make this machine a smart investment for long-term operations. As you watch this video, take a moment to notice the attention to detail, the careful bucket control, the steady truck positioning, and the seamless teamwork between machine and operator. These are the small things that define real mining expertise. Every frame captures the raw power and technical brilliance that go into making mining both efficient and safe. Before we wrap up, if you love real-world heavy machinery, engineering power, and mining operations like this one, make sure to hit like, share, and comment below with your thoughts. Tell us what part of this video impressed you the most: the excavator's performance, the operator's skill, or the overall coordination. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible mining footage, real equipment facts, and professional insights from the world of heavy industry.